married.
No man talk, you talk. I said big talk, you talk. And when you don't forget where you coming from. Don't forget where that same old taxi taking you from.
Taking me from? They are lazy and fighting with that old junk outside where you can't carry. Where you have to show for it.
Many and I think put food in a finny and for your belly. Yeah. My taxi business is a sound business.
Well, sir, me wouldn't mind if Zach, you did have one of them all junk that you really got.
Sata, I tell you, I come call for me taxi jump. You think I tell you, see your sister pick the line? And I see when you didn't come over here, come higher. In a middle night, without money, we carry your uncle to our country bush. I can't tell you one thing, you see, Merle. You don't listen to my wife, Joyce, you know, because she's not responsible for whatever goes on.
Party.
Oh, yes.
Talking about this job string thing now.
Oh, yes.
Like how you carry a whole heap of the big bastard in your taxi. You don't supposed to have a whole heap of contacts, man?
Yes.
Zaki, if you know what I know, you don't take any advice from Shalman. Try and help yourself. Hold on a little bit. You don't start to have on the shirt on the wrong side.
Well, at least he take me advice for once.
Then, Merle, you mean to tell me, says you advise him to put on his shirt that way?
But you say I must turn a piece of my clothes on the wrong side. Being as all Mr. Wisdom just there. And it's the third night.
So when that's it, when I take up off with you and your shirt on the wrong side.
What anybody ever see me die in the trial for? It's what kind of stupid superstition business they are more carrying on with it. They're that far. They're mischance. You never know a say. Even if you're the person where dead was close, you have to protect yourself. So what, you going to turn from the wrong side now, me love? Me going to bathroom, go to that long side.
Try tell me, say, my father used to be Zaki, man.
I don't know what you're talking about, you know, Mr. Shalman.
Oh, you mean? Then only when a man and a woman was living together and demanded that the woman wear a panty on the rack.
Zaki, beg you come carry me over there. Because you Shalman and tell me about me and that clothes that although I don't give Shalman any right to tell you about your underclothes, I still think you're taking the superstition business too far, man.
A superstition, you call it, but I know that the two of them believe in it. Now, I will ask you one question. My father ever do you anything bad yet?
Party. You know that never something bad about your father. Not true, maybe?
No, but you got a shot for the wrong side, so you can't know.
Well, if you want me to turn from the right side, me turn from the right side, you know. Because me and Mr. Wisdom used to live good. Not true, maybe?
Well, sir, I can't imagine why Murder and Zaki could have believed in them stupid backbush business. Murder, you're a civilized person, you know. I thought you know better than that, man.
You can't stay there say anything here, Miss Joyce. But I have seen some serious things in a family lifetime, you know. It's just because we know wish to speak of the dead.
Party. Talking about this job string thing now, you see. What do you think?
Well, I think you need some more nerves into your brains. And I think if you're thinking of going into business, you should think of going into your own business.
I think you have a point here. I think I'm going to go into my own business.
No, for it, my lord. But anyway, anything is better than nothing, no?
Talking about going into your own business, you see, you got any collateral?
It's one at party.
Collateral is the same thing when the bank will tell you to bring in before the bank tell us that they can't lend you the money. And what sort of business you was thinking of going into?
Anything, man, anything. Huh?
Oh, yes, Jack. But honestly, you know, man, you can't just go into anything like that. You have to have something on the top of your mind. Aye. You ever think of going into the taxi business?
Zaki, I think this is the point you should come and take Merle home.
Yes, you know, Miss Joyce. Because it don't look like him come up with any business sense tonight.
Come here, me pig. Come here. Let I give you one word of advice. Now you listen to me. Never you make a woman know when you're going into business. Because woman and business not agree. Anyway, tomorrow we will discuss this matter further. As of now, here is my business associate.
This what that mean, party?
And then you don't know. It mean me don't know. Oh, it means that as long as you associate with me, you're in business.
Forget it.
You come on here, Mr. Businessman, because feel look can't change. It look like somebody said, and by you why you can't get a decent work. Come on.
You see how she can't pressure me, party. I'm telling you, it's hell when you're out of job and living with a woman, you know.
I said to come before you lose the work with me.
Hi. What are we a turn consultant now? What are we going straight now exactly like him? Set him up just like that. Without any money, any skill, or any profession. You think it's like eh? You think it's everybody can live like you shall not? It's a pity for Zach you don't know when he's getting a pool for a consultant.
How we are called fooling? I'm waiting on consultant out there doing me can do. A consultant is just a man, you know, who claims that him study the business situation and can tell you a thing or two. And if them advise you what to do and collect him money, him consultancy work done. When the man want with film business after that, that a film business.
So that is what you planning for your friend Zaki?
You don't worry about me and Zaki, man. Tomorrow I will set him up real good.
I think if you come out and set up a space to serve that better purpose. Your mama.
Jive! Come here a little bit now, man.
What is it, Shalman? Why not try and help yourself since you can't help it?
Jive! How much longer you want me to wait? I don't take off my clothes already. How much more do you expect me to stand up?
Shalman? Shalman, what you doing? Shalman? Oh! I get the message, Shalman. I get the message that's coming. But I can't leave the place like this. No, Shalman, I'm coming here. I'm coming. What I let down. Since you don't know that, you better try and help yourself. You're more Lydia. And I'm playing with the turn on by the light. I said I'm not playing, I want to see what I'm doing. Turn on by the light and I'm playing with you. Turn on by the light.
Come here, see a Jive? I'm here to find the floor where Mrs. Get over from come here, baby. I was sweet, you.
Why you hold? Get me hand broke. Sean, man, get me head busted.
What are we with that woman head one here, man? Just some foolish stuff come here, man, now. I want to your head.
Boy.
Oh, you mean, see anybody from now, you take a practice off of some killing on my ground. And I ain't done today, so quick, missus. If you don't know you get up and come here, but you know, because I'm literally from the day, as a matter of fact, stay where you is. Stay right where you is. Because you know where you come from, it's family.
Lord,
come here, but you have to wake up the whole neighborhood.
Boy, young man, you mean to tell me they're going to stand there and go on like you don't know what happened a while ago? You mean to tell me they're going to tell me they never see when the man come inside the family and nearly kill me?
You mean the gunman coming up on your child?
No! It's of no use to me. You never roll when I need you.
Then just say me some man coming up on you. Why you never call out to me?
It's so damn useless.
So, but the man, you know,